Okay, vertical line tests for functions. This is a test that we can use to see if something is a function or not. So if a vertical line intersects the graph at 2 or more points, the graph is not a function. Let's take a look at some examples here. So here is all functions because these pass the vertical line test. Here's an example right here of a function. This looks like the function y equals has a slope of 1 over 1, so x, 1x, and then the y-intercept's 2. This would pass the vertical line test because if anywhere I draw a vertical line, I only see it intersect one time. That passes the test. That's a function. Here's a parabola in the second one, also a function because anywhere I draw a vertical line, doesn't matter where, it's only going to hit one time. And same thing with these other two on the bottom. Any vertical line I draw anywhere only hits it one spot. Now let's compare that to some things that are not functions. This sideways parabola is not a function. This vertical line drawn here, you can see intersects twice. So that does not pass our test. It's a relationship, but not a function. Kind of going back to our graphic we had before, if this is our input or our domain here, if I have the input of 5 and I map it to this other side, there's two possible outputs here. We can have 5 go to +2, or we can also have 5 go to -2. That's not a function when you plug something in and you don't know what the result's going to be because there's multiple options. That's not a function. We should know if we plug in 5 to this function, there should be a definite answer here, and we can't say because it could be 2 or -2. That's not a for sure answer. A circle is another example here of something that's not a function. If you plug in 2, you might get either 4 or -4 out as the answer. That's not a function. You can see it hits twice. Here's a couple more examples. Now notice on this one, there is some spots I can draw where it only hits once, but you should be able to draw it anywhere and only hit once. Here it hits 3 times, definitely not a function. And then same with this last result.